guys, welcome back to Cozy Home. Today I'm going to do a 5-minute clean with me, and I'm going to tackle my kitchen for 5 minutes and then move over to another room and do the same. So come along with me, grab your guys' cleaning rags, and let's pull up our sleeves and let's get to cleaning. What we're going to need to do is we're going to only put the timer on for 5 minutes, and then we're going to go into one room in our house and we're going to clean as much as we can in that 5 minutes. Luckily, I don't have that much to do in the kitchen, I think. I hope I'm able to get all the dishes done and put away within this 5 minutes, and maybe even wipe down my cabinets. Are you ready? Get mark, set, let's go. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jacqueline, and I'm so glad you decided to come and check out my channel. I hope you guys enjoy this 5-minute tidy up. Also, please don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know that you're new here. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I really like doing these 5-minute tidy ups in my rooms. Also like doing the 1-hour power hours. If you guys haven't seen those, please check it out. I do have a few of those videos. One of the things I do like about this is I usually like to do this right before my husband comes home from work, so he's coming home to a nice clean place. At this minute, I have only 1 minute and 20 seconds to finish. I only got my dishes put away, and I'm down to one more dish to wash, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this because I don't want to leave soap on it, and then I'm gonna put it on my towel to dry, and now I'm gonna move into my next room. Oh, and my next room I'm going to clean is Ryder's room. I'm gonna put 5 minutes on. It's super easy to clean. His blanket is in the other room because he's watching TV. So I'm just gonna let him relax and enjoy the time. So I'm gonna use my cell phone as my timer. Guys, I just want to apologize for not posting in a while. I had a rough start to our summer with Ryder being out of school. He doesn't like change in his routine, so he hasn't been sleeping, and he's been really grumpy about things. And then of course the kids going to summer camp, so we had to prepare for that. But I just want to apologize. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me, and thank you guys so much for all the nice comments you've been giving to me and supporting my channel. I have 1 minute and 33 seconds left. I'm going to actually add that to my bathroom. Hopefully I'm going to try to clean both bathrooms, downstairs ones, in 5 minutes. Actually, it'll be 6 minutes and 33 seconds. So let's see if I can do it. Are you guys ready for the challenge? I got 2 cleaning rags. I got my spray and my toilet brush or toilet cleaner, and I'm going to go ahead and start my timer before I spray anything down. The 1 minute one. I'm going to finish this up before I add an extra 5 minutes. This is where I hit my elbow on the back of the sink. I'm going to be adding my 5 minutes now. Have you guys checked out my Dirty Dozen Forget to Clean? In the Dirty Dozen, in each video, there will be 12 things people forget to clean. These things we forget to clean are an eye-opening for me, and I haven't cleaned some of them since we have moved into our house, so that will be about a year now. And I'm just so excited about doing this. I hope you guys will join me on doing these Dirty Dozens. So don't forget to grab your guys' cleaning rags and your soap, and we're gonna pull up our sleeves and let's get some deep cleaning done. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I get off track on cleaning, and I had the idea of just 5-minute cleaning throughout the house, but I end up straightening up my cleaning closet. It's a good thing, it needed to be done, but this I did not time. Logan is at camp, so I'm gonna go ahead and just tidy up his room. This is how he left it, except for the pile of clothes right down here. I'll show you guys that. That is totally me doing. I just throwing the dirty clothes into his room as I was picking up today. So I'm just gonna do 5 minutes in here and start the timer. When I was making up his bed, I realized that I should clean his sheets, so I'll probably end up doing that tomorrow. As I am vacuuming up Logan's closet area, I noticed that he has spilt some type of drink here. I think it's sweet tea because it's kind of sticky, so I have to get that done. Timer is up. Timer is up. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this area where he has spilt his drink. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me with this 5-minute clean with me. I hope you guys enjoy this tidying up. It's easy, it's quick, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please leave a comment below if you're new here, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.